The altcoin season has just started. We're seeing all of the top major cap altcoins pumping 20% in the past 24 hours. You're seeing XLM go up 50%. You're seeing Dogecoin go up 15%. Cardano's over $1. So altcoin season is here a lot sooner than we expected. Everyone's portfolios that have been holding since the previous bull market are back to their prior all-time highs. And in this video, we're going to be discussing which altcoins are the ones to buy right now to make sure you make more gains than Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin, for the past few hours at least, has kind of stopped in doing percentage increases. You can see that we're currently at 98.9K, and for the past 2 days or so, we've been in this range, while altcoins have been going up tremendously towards the upside. XRP up 45% in the past 7 days. Dogecoin 25%. Tron 10%. Cardano 45%. Stellar XLM 161%. 24 hours 54%. Polkadot 35%, etc., etc. Polkadot, by the way, was one of my mentions on a previous video. We said that it's breaking a trend line and it will likely continue much higher. But anyways, you can see that altcoins have slowed. Not every single one of them, but a majority are going up between 10 to 40% in the past 7 days. And even on a daily scale, you've started to see altcoins go up 20%, 10%, which is incredibly impressive. So I think the transition from Bitcoin to altcoins is happening a bit differently this time. Usually you see Bitcoin leading, and then what happens is, after Bitcoin stops its lead and begins to consolidate at a high price level, you tend to see Ethereum to start outperforming Bitcoin, and then major altcoins, and then microcaps. But in this cycle, it could be the case that Bitcoin, now that it's stopping, and it will continue rallying, we just need to see what happens with 100K, but it will eventually have a consolidation phase at a high price point, just like what it's doing now at 98,000. And during this consolidation phase, when Bitcoin is going up only 0.87% in the past 24 hours, you'll see altcoins start rallying tremendously, and not necessarily Ethereum, right? Ethereum is only up 4% in the past 24 hours, but if you look at some of the other altcoins, it's doing comparatively, it's not doing as well as it should be. So if you've been watching the channel for a long time, you know that Dogecoin, I've been talking about Dogecoin like ever since it was at 6 cents. And now it is trading at 48 cents. So that's already like a 5x almost. So congratulations to all crypto kids that have been watching the videos. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're new. Oh my God, you just missed it, but they have a Doge, let's see, let's reload and see what happens here. You should see a Doge dog. No, never mind. But TradingView added like a Doge dog animation, which is super funny. I think Dogecoin is going to continue ripping. Like I've been a huge advocate for Dogecoin. It's the altcoin which is it's the meme coin which has the biggest community, right? If you look at what is important with the meme coin, what is the commodity here, what are you really buying into? It is just the community. And if you want to look for the strongest communities, you have Dogecoin. Dogecoin is the first point of retail FOMO, the Department of Government Efficiency, etc., etc. Like, it's just the first initial point of FOMO, and you want to have Dogecoin in your portfolio. It's almost back to all-time highs, which is unbelievable. And it feels like nobody's talking about it. I don't know what to say. Dogecoin is a must-have in your portfolio. Yes, your potential gain has dropped on Dogecoin compared to if you bought it 2-3 weeks ago, but still, I think it's fantastic. The game of being a winner in business is investing in good companies at low prices. Yes, Dogecoin is not a company, but the community that it has behind it is valuable enough to keep in your portfolio, in my opinion. We talked about this pennant on the last video 32 hours ago, and that's broken out beautifully too. So congrats if you took a trade on this bullish pennant. But Dogecoin is always up in my portfolio. Another one that will follow Doge, I think, is Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu is basically the same sort of meme project, if you don't know what Shiba Inu is. But I think you will do a similar thing with what Dogecoin is doing, because Shiba also has a fantastic community behind it. If we look at the Shiba chart on the big screen, comparatively to Dogecoin, it is still less, or just around halfway, just below halfway where it was in the previous top of the bull market. So I think she will basically do the same thing as Dogecoin. It's not incredibly early to buy Shiba Inu, but I think it's still, like a lot of these altcoins, very, very early to do so. XRP is continuing to smash new local all-time highs, and it's getting very close to its prior all-time high now, $1.55 per XRP. Unbelievable. I jumped into a long position when I saw that Gary Gensler was confirmed to resign on the 20th of January, but I just took my chance with it, and it went even more up. So as soon as you see these bullish pennants everywhere on these altcoins, it means that they will continue pumping higher. So look out for those bull flags. And finally, the final altcoin that I'll talk about is, of course, Ethereum. So Ethereum bounced beautifully from this downtrend or uptrend that was being created since the bottom of the bear market in 2022. And now we had this beautiful bounce here. I told everyone to open long positions. We went in at 2.4K, and now it's seeing that bounce. So if you want to buy spot Ethereum, I think it's also another perfect opportunity. And the closing remarks of this video is that after you make tremendous money from these altcoins, what you have to do is convert your profits back into Bitcoin, not into dollars. That is the way you make multi-generational wealth, by taking your profits from these altcoins and then putting them back into Bitcoin and holding it for as long as you can. But with that said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it was a different, unconventional type. If you want to buy these altcoins, then you can check the links in the description down below for Bitflex and Bybit. If you're buying crypto for the first time, then Bybit offers you a perfect on-ramp, off-ramp solution where you can buy crypto with fiat and convert it to crypto, vice versa. And Bitflex is perfect for trading, especially if you are a beginner. There's a video that shows you a tutorial on how to use a cryptocurrency exchange. It's the second link in the description down below. But with that said, thank you so much for watching this video. Follow with the next ones, because usually we do Bitcoin price analysis and news coverage. So make sure to stay tuned, turn on the notification bell, and guys and girls, as always, bye.